Do you have trouble falling asleep? Well, let's look at this product. Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Take Cheap. I'm today's host Anley, and today we're going to be looking at the R30 Mini portable sound machine. As you know, in each episode we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Let's take a look at this R30 Mini sound machine. They got the brand name right here, Rest Nature. Information for support and information on the back. Let's open it. We're going to have the warranty inside the box, some of the questions and answers, as well as the user manual, which is written in multiple different languages. So don't worry, no matter where you're at, you should be fine. Power cable is included. Looks like it comes with this little hook right here as well, so you can set it up and put it on your wrist or a keychain. And our USB-C cable. And now the device itself. Look at this little thing. When they said mini, they meant it. Wow. Has like a little rubber pad down here as well, which is where you can do your settings and everything, but it looks like it will make it sit really stable no matter where you put it. And our speaker on top, and our USB-C plug on the back. There's our power button. It looks like we have a volume button here as well. Wow. And this would be 30 minutes, 60 minute, 90 minute, but you can also put it in infinite mode. So now it will go for about 8 hours or until the battery dies. Very nice.
Travel-friendly design, the R30 Mini portable sound machine is tailored for travelers solving sleep issues in unfamiliar environments like hotel without taking up luggage space. It's about half the size to my iPhone. Huge variety of sounds, 16 calming sounds including birds, ocean waves, white noise, lullaby, campfire crackles, and more. It meets the needs of both adults and kids, transforming any space into a serene oasis. Tiny but powerful, R30 Mini is so small that it can even be packed into pocket. Despite its small size, R30 Mini delivers powerful and clear sounds thanks to high-quality speakers. With 32 carefully calibrated volume levels, you can customize the sound to suit your own habit. Especially if you are sensitive to sounds. Convenient, rechargeable, and wireless. R30 Mini charges via USB-C for hassle-free wireless operation. Enjoy uninterrupted sound experiences while traveling or at home with 4 timer modes, 30, 60, 90 minutes, and non-stop, eliminating charging concerns. Normally, if you use 1 hour a day, you can charge it once a week. If you use 2 to 3 hours a day, you can charge it once per 3 days. If you use it 8 hours a day, you need to charge it every day. The light turns red when charging. The light turns off when fully charged. 500 mAh battery, takes 100 minutes to fully charge and can be used up to 8 hours. Thanks to the R30 Mini portable sound machine, I've never slept better. We'd like to give a huge shout out to Rest Nature for sponsoring this video. All of the links will be down below in the description. I've been today's host, Anley. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!